In this video, we look at earning respect, the dark truth behind what people don't tell you. In our contemporary world, it's often said that individuals fall into two broad categories: those who excessively idolize others and those who unfairly hold others responsible for their problems. While these stereotypes might exist, there is a group of people who rise above these tendencies. They're rare and unique in their approach to life, focusing on their own goals and purposes without letting desires distract them. Earning respect is achievable through these 5 methods, with the last one being the most vital. Be sure to watch the video until the end so you don't miss how this essential aspect of earning respect can be attained. Number 1. Channeling desire. Understanding and managing emotions is a real superpower. Some individuals may not have control over their desires, and this makes them a slave to their emotions. However, there's a way to turn this around. Desire is like any other emotion. It can be harnessed for good if you understand how to channel it. The key is recognizing that you are separate from your feelings. Emotions come and go, and this doesn't mean you should impulsively act upon them. With control, you can interact with others without being swayed by transient thoughts. By ignoring these fleeting emotions, you can focus on your goals and use them to fuel your work. Emotions are a source of energy, and the choice of how to use them is yours. How to channel desire. A step-by-step guide. Identify the desire. What do you desire most? It could be a material object, personal achievement, or an emotional state. Understanding what drives you is the first step in channeling that desire. Recognize its power. Desire is a potent motivator but can also lead to unhealthy obsessions. Recognize the intensity and importance of your desire and acknowledge both its positive and negative aspects. Set clear goals. Once you've identified your desire, create clear, achievable goals related to what you want. Break them down into smaller, manageable tasks. Redirect your focus. Shift your focus from the object of your desire to the process of achieving it. Concentrate on the tasks and behaviors that will lead you towards your goal. Develop healthy habits. Create daily routines that align with your goals. These habits will help you channel your desire consistently and constructively. Monitor your progress. Regularly assess your progress towards your goals and adjust your approach as needed. Keeping track of your success helps maintain focus and motivation. Avoid potential traps. Be aware of potential pitfalls and distractions that could divert your desire into unproductive or harmful channels. Stay committed to your path and avoid temptations that don't align with your goals. Cultivate mindfulness. Mindfulness practices such as meditation can help you stay centered and in control of your desires. These techniques can strengthen your ability to channel your desire effectively. Seek support if needed. Sometimes, our desires can become overwhelming or lead us down the wrong path. Don't hesitate to seek professional help or support from friends and family if you feel you're losing control. Continue viewing the video, as the upcoming segment is highly significant. Number 2. Setting boundaries with technology. One way to control desire is by setting boundaries on your phone. If you find yourself distracted by social media or late-night browsing, you may end up wasting time on unproductive activities. Think about your phone's potential. It's a powerful device that could be used for learning, networking, or generating income. But if used carelessly, it can lead to self-sabotage. Therefore, unfollow distracting content, stop mindless scrolling, and set boundaries that will help you maintain control. How to set boundaries with technology. A step-by-step guide. Identify the problem areas. Determine where technology may be negatively impacting your life. Is it affecting your relationships? Your work productivity? Your sleep? Set clear and specific goals. Outline what you want to achieve with your boundaries. Perhaps you want to spend more quality time with family or focus better on your work. Define these goals clearly. Create rules and limits. Design specific rules that align with your goals. This might include no screens during meals, turning off notifications during work hours, or implementing a nighttime technology curfew. Implement tools and features. Many devices and platforms offer features to help manage usage, such as screen time tracking, do not disturb modes, or website blockers. Utilize these tools to assist in maintaining your boundaries. Communicate your boundaries. If your technology boundaries involve others, such as family members, communicate them clearly so everyone is on the same page. Monitor and adjust. Regularly assess how well your boundaries are working and make necessary adjustments. Flexibility is key, as your needs and challenges may evolve over time. Practice mindfulness. Cultivate awareness of how you engage with technology, noticing how it makes you feel and whether it aligns with your values and goals. Create alternatives. Foster hobbies and activities that don't involve technology, so when you choose to disconnect, you have enjoyable alternatives. Seek support if needed. If setting and maintaining boundaries with technology proves challenging, consider seeking professional support or joining a group that promotes digital wellness. Stay tuned to the video. The next part is really vital. Number 3. Clearly defining values and goals. By creating a list that defines your values, you can strengthen your resolve. Write down the main reasons why overcoming distraction is crucial for you, and review it whenever you feel your determination waning. For example, your list might include things like "I don't want momentary pleasure to hinder my growth," or "self-discipline is a vital part of my personal development." Your personal reasons will guide you towards success. Don't stop watching the video. What comes next is extremely important. Number 4. Managing attention and recognizing triggers. It's essential to understand how to manage your attention. If you find yourself tempted by distractions, it's crucial not to feed into that temptation. Maintain your confidence and keep your focus where it needs to be. Also, identifying what triggers certain desires can help you control them. If you discover that boredom or stress is the source, finding new coping methods and forming healthier habits can lead you down a more productive path. Keep your eyes on the video. The following section is of great importance. Number 5. Conquering goals and the pursuit of success. There are two driving forces: the desire to achieve goals and the desire to engage with distractions. Keeping your mind occupied with new goals to conquer will leave no space for unproductive thoughts. Imagine a soldier going to war. His focus is clear: win the battle and protect his comrades. Similarly, when you are single-minded in your purpose and continuously working towards your objectives, no distractions can interrupt your flow. If you're looking to elevate your life, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. In a world filled with distractions, it's vital to recognize and channel our emotions properly. From setting technological boundaries to clearly defining values and recognizing triggers, we can equip ourselves with the tools to maintain control and focus on our goals. You're just one step away from achieving greatness. If you are interested in how alphas generate passive income online, click on the link in the description to learn how to earn passive income online. Otherwise, click the video link right here to check out the last video.